Hi everyone, it's the Crypto Don and welcome to my new video. Today is 22 of December 2017 and I just wanted to talk about the huge correction that happened last night because it's very interesting. I think I just wanted to do a market update and give you my advice on the future of cryptocurrency right now, my view on it, and hopefully I can help you any further. I haven't been making videos in the past couple of days, past couple of weeks actually. I'm not really happy with that because I really wanted to pick up my YouTube channel and start with it. This is just my third video from now. So yes, I will definitely continue making videos, but I just had a very busy time with my work, nearing the end of the year. So let's get into this market update because first of all, the market cap in general, it just had a huge correction. It's of course it is because of Bitcoin, but when Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down, and that's what just happened. And in this range, it went up to 650 billion, and this is ridiculous heights. Definitely, if you look at the longer chart, how fast it went, because if we just look at the beginning of this month, we were only at 300 and we doubled up. We doubled up even more. We went to 642. It was crazy run up. And I already told you in the previous video about Bitcoin that we were going to have a correction. And then at the time Bitcoin was at 16,000. And I thought it was not very smart to buy at these amounts. As you can see, it was over here. It went up to even 19, but now it even went to 11. It's not showing up here, but in some exchanges it went to 11. That's mainly because this is the average of all markets. And for example, the Chinese, Koreans, they have much higher. This is Japan, by the way. This is the Koreans. They have a lot higher Bitcoin price on their exchange. So this is the average of that. But in some exchanges, I think on Bitfinex and GDEX, it went to 11. Also on Bittrex, this is where I always trade. So yeah, it was a very very hard correction, but also a very good one because I was really excited because of this. I have to say, I also sold a large part of my cryptocurrency at the time of my last video because I was, a little bit bearish. I also said it because it just went up way too fast. As I just told you, it was ridiculous. And we also talked about IOTA. And looking at IOTA now, I just said in my previous video, don't buy it right now, and I think it was a good one for now. But at this time, it's getting more interesting getting into IOTA. It's actually very interesting to get in pretty much all coins right now because something weird happened. Because normally when Bitcoin goes up a lot, which it did right now because it's above 14,000 again, the altcoins drop. But this is not the case anymore. They just keep on their same Satoshi level right now, and this means they go up in price. And this is a good thing because the market cap, it already rose a lot, and this is basically because people just keep their alts. They are not selling it for Bitcoin. I think people don't have as much faith in Bitcoin as before. Like, Bitcoin is going to be the coin and there is no place for other coins. If Bitcoin continues to rise, there's no place for other coins. This is not the case anymore. We have seen so many ridiculous altcoin run-ups that I think people really are starting to believe in altcoins, not only Bitcoin. And that's amazing to see, and that also makes it a very good buy opportunity, not only for Bitcoin but also for the other altcoins. And at this moment, it really looks like the correction is over. It does look like it, but we are not out of it yet. This is an extremely important support level right over here. this line. So if we do not break it, I can't draw lines in this, because I don't want to do too much TA, because it's not all about the technical analysis. It's just, you know, this is so much more than technical analysis right now. This is emotions, things happening, you know, like the China ban. If something like that happens, there goes your TA. It's really, in cryptocurrency, not that good, but you can look at this like, if we want to break the correction, we need to go up a little more. As you can see, we did not double top over here, which is TA again, but I think it's a good sign that we are definitely in a bullish run right now. I think right now, at this moment, I should not buy, because there is still a chance of it going down even more. I think 11 is going to be the bottom. It could touch it again, so there might be a bit better moment, but overall, for the long term, I think buying now is a very good one, because we talked a lot about whales in my previous video, and this is not a whales drop, and you can see that because basically because of the volume. This is the volume of Bitcoin, and it's, you know, it's high, but it's not whales dropping their coins, and that means that it's not going to collapse, which is important. It could still, because this panic sell could continue, and then whales could drop out, and then we could have a Bitcoin collapse, you know, the bubble, you know, going down. But that's not the case right now. It doesn't look like it. Let's say it like this. So I think buying right now, but buying right now is a good thing. I bought in. I think it's good, but if it drops lower, I will still buy some more at 11 again. I already bought some at 11. I will do it again if it drops to 11, but if it drops below, I'm going to be cautious, but I don't think it will, to be honest. I think we are going to bull run like never before. I think this is going to be a trillion, really. I think we're going for it right now. I'm very, very bullish. In my previous videos, I was bearish, but now I'm very bullish because the correction already happened, and I had this feeling it was going to happen. And you know, I was looking into all these beautiful altcoins, and I wanted to make videos about it, but I was like, you know, if Bitcoin is going to drop, everything is going to drop. So I didn't make the videos, because I can tell you, like, I can be excited about NEO, which I am. I can be excited, for example, about Vertcoin. But you know, why should I be excited about Vertcoin if you know that there is going to be a Bitcoin correction? Because it hits all the altcoins. So now that it happens, I can finally make videos about it, and I will. I don't want to talk too much about it right now, but as you can see, it's all the same pattern. All the altcoins have the same pattern, just because the Satoshi level is very stable. Vertcoin has basically been around 50,000 Satoshis all the time. That's a fantastic bullish sign. So I just bought my favorite altcoins again, because I have a great feeling about the next upcoming months. I think we are going to explode, really. I'm very bullish right now, and I'm going to make some more videos as I told about the altcoins I believe in. I'm going to talk a little bit more about IOTA, and I also want to explain more about the last video I made. I mean, if you see this range, you can see that IOTA dropped 30%, most of all, right as of it is right now. So doesn't say everything, but you know, I have a little bit of a feeling that it's kind of a scam, but I will explain that later on. It's going to be a very long video again, otherwise. This is just a quick look at the market. I am very bullish right now. I bought in my favorite altcoins. NEO is definitely one of them. Really like the project. Ethereum is definitely one of them. Really like the project. and some other mid caps and small caps. So thanks for watching my video. I know I haven't said a lot about the current market, but I just wanted to make it a quick video. I'm going to talk a lot more about other altcoins, so make sure to smash the like button, and I'll see you next time.